So we're ready to put the gate back on, and I've levelled it up best I can just by using my eye against the post. I've propped it up there with some wood, and I've used the jack at the other end to level it up against the post. Now this post is slightly smaller than the original one, so the gate is actually going further back, but the intention is to remove this edge at some point and put a fence up anyway, so this gate will go all the way back. I can always cut a bit more off the edge if I need to, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put the hinges on and mark them up and see if we can get them in where I need to be. So we'll try that now. So I'm offering the hinge plate up to the post. I've put it in the eye hole of the gate hinge so that I can get it in roughly the same height as the gate is now, because that's where the height of the gate I want to be at. And I put in the top hinge as well. That goes upside down so that it hooks onto the eyelet and not underneath it, because this will stop people pinching your gate. People do remove gates and take them sometimes, and it's a bit annoying when they do that. So I'm using my speed square to use a line which will be level because the post is level. If your post is level, this line will be level. And I'm also going to use a speed square to find the center of the post and use it so that we can line up the hinges, because if they are level on the post, it will make the gate level in general. So I'm using a speed square just to make a mark, and then I'm going to line it up on the hinge plates when I get the hinge plates on to the post. So the first one we're going to do is the bottom one, and this will be facing upwards, and I'm going to mark out the holes with my pencil, and then I'm going to drill some pilot holes in so I can put the coach screws back in. I'm going to reuse the coach screws that I have taken out of the gate previously, and I'm going to reuse these. I am intending to change them because I feel that they're a little bit too short for this type of gate. I think it could do with something slightly longer, but for now we're going to reuse them. They should be strong enough to hold the gate on for now, and it'll do the job, because we want to get the gate back on the house. You feel a little bit insecure with having no drive gate on sometimes. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully we'll get the gate back on and it will all line up and it'll be great and fine, and we won't have to do any fettling to the gate, so it should be a good job, because you hate it when you have to do all the fettling around with it. It is a second-hand gate, obviously. It was the previous gate, we've just replaced the post, and it's a bit old, but it's for what it would cost to replace the gate as well. It's just not worth doing, really, is it? I mean, you do what you know, the gate's quite solid, so it doesn't really need anything else. If you got a new one, it'd just twist as well, same as this one's probably twisted over years. Wood is wood, it does twist, so but it's a good solid gate and it'll serve its purpose and probably last a lifetime that will be at the property. So I've drilled some pilot holes in the post now. I'm going to start putting the hinge plates back on to the post, and then hopefully we'll get the gate back on. So as you can see there, it's all in. I've removed the jack. The post is quite solid. It's been in a couple of hours. It's not pulling the gate over, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it's resting on its catch there. I've got to adjust that catch now, because obviously as it's been dropping down and down and down over the years, I've been adjusting the catch. Now these catches are quite easy to adjust. Just show you here, just one simple nut there, and I think, is it 22? No, 21. 21, and you just adjust it, move it round. So your gate should do that. It should just click into place like that, and hopefully this won't drop. It might drop a little bit. We now no longer need the wheel at the bottom, so I'm going to remove that, and there you go. There you go, that's how you replace a fence post or a gate post if you're replacing for a gate post. As you can see, it's now been done. The gate's hanging perfectly. I've just got a few more bits and pieces to do, and then we're done here. This is my house obviously, but yeah, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to the channel, please. It is helping everybody who's doing that at the moment. It does help the channel grow, enables me to do other things and other projects on the channel that people might be interested in. So that being said, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking the videos, don't forget to share them to other people, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.